Good morning. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash Update, and this update is for Friday, and we're at the 20th of June, 2025, about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Let's go right to the day's news. Philly Fed Business Activity Index just came out, down 4. The market expected it down 2, so this met the prior month's, May's, number. Your prices paid were up, but not as much as they were back in May. You saw a big nosedive in the employment index. I'm starting to see employment indexes slip in New York. New York's was actually up in the Empire State, come to think of it. It was other parts of that index that were down. New orders up, but not as much as they were in May. You can see that you had a complete turnaround in shipment index. It was a negative 13, went to a positive, and yet the inventory still grew. So that's interesting. The conference board, they're going to come out with the coincident leading and lagging indicators at 9 o'clock. And the news was President Trump, who again flip-flopped on us. Now, he uses that term within 2 weeks. I have no idea what that means anymore. He uses it so much. Does that mean he'll give an extension? Does it mean that he'll make a decision to bomb? Does it mean that diplomacy will take place within it? Well, what it did is it set the market on a thin trading day yesterday on its heels down. And you could see you had gotten down to 42,000 in the Dow. You're back up from there 400 points. You're 100 points off the low in the S&P. You're up 400 points in the Nasdaq. Are you getting the idea? Now, what you haven't recovered in is gold, which is down $36. And they hit pretty hard the silver, nearly $1 an ounce. Copper has been all over the board. It was down hard. It just rallied to the highs, and now it's slipping back on you again. And the platinum is down. So the metal markets, if there was a war premium in there, I'd like to say they've taken it out. But why aren't you breaking more in the energy then? So that's the confusion of the market. It's which way do you go with it? Interest rates climbing a little bit on this Friday, and we had gotten up to 423 in the nat gas. Now, you've just slipped 15 cents. This heat wave is coming. Chicago will be 96 for the next minimum 3 days. That's without the heat index will be over the 100, and this is all headed to the East Coast. So this is that first move, and I'm not surprised you got there. I was doing my best to prep everybody that might happen. In the dollar, well, today it reopened. It wasn't open yesterday, and the market down 20. Most of the currencies giving you a bounce, and that's about all that I could call it. I can't say that it's a real trend change one way or the other. So this is one of these days where traders are going to look at the market, try to figure out, did this get too cheap in the metals, or was that it as a top? Should the war premium be out? But then what about the industrials? If the stock market's coming back and people feel good about the economy, shouldn't those be going up? That's what you're going to be dealing with. We cover this and a heck of a lot more each and every day in our free offers to you. So in those, you can try our market letters, the charting software, the different free courses that we have, all the booklets from the different exchanges. You name it, it's here with a lot of proprietary information we put out, including our price counts. How do you get this? Just go to iraepstein.com, free offers. When you get to that page, select the offers you want. At the bottom of the page, you put in your information. We'll get it out to you right away. You can also click the icons at the top here or one up here. I'm Ira. You have a great weekend. I will see you over the weekend as we do our weekly chart updates. You take care.